ProContractor geofencing capabilities in PC Mobile. This video is one in a series of videos designed to help you learn helpful tips and tricks you might not know about in ProContractor. To learn more about ProContractor and other Viewpoint solutions, check out Viewpoint's YouTube channel and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest and greatest content.
The geofencing capabilities in ProContractor Mobile are very easy to set up inside of the system. First thing you want to do, go into your project and make sure that the system knows exactly where this project is located. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your project, and you'll notice that you'll have a tool set enabled here to enable geofencing on this particular project. Cool piece here, you guys, is that you can determine which projects you want to enable geofencing on. So click that little button. Make sure you put the coordinates in here for latitude and longitude. You need a little help, click this little button here. The system will pull those up based on the address. Now, the important piece here is your radius. What is the radius for that geofence that you want to include on this project? Is it a mile? Is it 5 miles? Is it 100 miles? Whatever you want, plug that number in here, and that is going to determine when your employees can clock in and clock out based on that radius that you've established. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the mobile side. So for my purposes, I actually am using my cell phone to go into mobile. You can see I've selected the Bee Ridge Office Park Foundation. I'm going to come into time cards. And I came in a little bit earlier today and clocked in so you could see this in action. But as you may be familiar with on the mobile side, you select the job, you select the day, you come in and tell the system which cost code you're working in. And with the geofencing capabilities, you're going to notice that instead of the start and the end buttons where you have to come in and enter in the time that you got there and the time that you left, geofencing doesn't allow for employees to tell you when they got there. They have to take advantage of the clock in and the clock out button. So you can see I came in here, I clocked in at 11:53. I'm going to go ahead and clock out now, and you can see that the system knows that I was here for 33 minutes, right? So a really nice way to make sure that people are being held accountable to the hours that they are recording and submitting to you for pay. Now, a lot of the time, one of the questions that we get a lot in regards to mobile is, what if somebody happens to forget to clock out? Well, no worries on that piece, because we have a very nice feature that as a person leaves that geofencing area, they'll get a notification that pops up that says, hey, you're leaving the geofence area. Do you want to clock out? So they get a really nice reminder that they need to do that. So geofencing, easy to set up and a nice way to make sure that your employees are being held accountable for being on the job site when they say that they are.